looking gorgeous today? So as you guys know, I have been like dabbling in makeup. I'm not the best at it, but I'm slowly learning. And I want to do like a simple makeup look. I want to be a cat. I want to be a cat. So I was going on YouTube trying to find like something to watch to like help me. And surprisingly, I didn't find any videos with people with my skin color. So like anything, I looked up cat makeup tutorial black girl, and the video that popped up is from Christy J. So I'm gonna be following her tutorial. It is the Halloween glam cat makeup tutorial. I have it pulled up right in front of me, so I'm gonna be following it. I watched a few minutes of it and I think I can do it. So hopefully this looks cute. And yeah, I got all my makeup stuff right here. So let's get started. She is so cute. Okay, so she starts with putting concealer on her eyelids. So I'm going to readjust this. All right, this is my canvas. I need space. Let me get my concealer. So she uses LA Girl, you know, that bomb staple concealer. So I got the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Walnut 57. So she put like a little bit on her eyelids, and then she took a beauty blender and just patted it in. Let me get closer to you guys. Hey, how you doing? If you guys see me looking up, it's because the viewfinder's right there, so that's why. All right, my eyelids are pretty concealed. Oh, she got some tape. Okay. All right, I got my Scotch tape, and she says she put it at the corner of her eyes. I mean, I guess that makes sense to make your, you know, your liner sharp. I guess it has to be even on both sides, huh? This feels so weird. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Okay, next. All right, so I don't have the exact same palette that she has. I have my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. It looks like this, and it looks like she used like a berry red color. I think it might be this one, which I usually use for like blush, and she used this as like a transition color on her like outer corner and crease. She does have a slightly different eye shape than me. I just now noticed that. Okay, I don't want to use too much, so I'm gonna stop there and see what she does next. Okay, next she used like a pretty dark brown. It's kind of like an ashy brown, but I don't know which one that is on this palette. I think she used like something like this, maybe this brown. I'm gonna try that, and she only put it like on her crease, like towards the outer. All right, I think it looks pretty decent. It's kind of hard to see because it's brown, but let's move on. Okay, so she just took like this black color. Hers looks so good. I look like, I don't even know. All right, so I'm gonna try to mimic what she just did. And she keeps doing like this to like really sharpen it, so I'm gonna try doing that too. Did I use too much black? It's really hard because I can see what it's supposed to look like, and this is not it. Let me just see what she does next. I swear YouTube is not shy of having these double ads. Okay, then she takes some more concealer and puts it on her crease. Maybe I should do that to like get rid of some of this black. It's really bothering me how there's more black on this side and not this side, which I don't know how that happened, but okay. All right, put some concealer on the lid. I already told myself I'm not gonna get upset while doing this. I'm just practicing. This is all for fun. This is not a tutorial if you haven't already noticed. I will be sure to have her tutorial linked down below if you want to follow it. And I am doing this in front of my camera, so when I get to the bathroom, I'm gonna fix any mistakes for real before I show the final reveal. All right, concealer on the lids is on. What next? Okay, she has like this shimmery gold color. Let me see what I have. I might use this like golden brown because I don't have any like shimmery gold that she has. Hello, I'm back. How long have I been gone? I honestly have no idea, but if you missed me peeling off the tape, I'll insert a clip here. So what she did was she added like this shimmery color on her lid, which you could barely see, but I just took some highlight and put on my lid. So I don't have any glitter, but highlight's technically shiny, so yeah. And this is how my eyes look. Let me know what you think. I think I did a pretty decent job for a beginner. And then she like did her face and her eyebrows and stuff. So what I did was I just took some concealer and some powder, tap, tap, tap in. I feel like doing my eyebrows, let them stay bushy like a kitty cat. My camera died, that's why I went away. I don't think I said that. So yeah, let's see what she does next. She's just so pretty. Me? No. So she took the same eyeliner and put on her waterline. I've never done that before. Isn't that like, where is your waterline even at? How do you not poke yourself in the eye? How do you wash that out when you're done? I got so many questions. I am so scared right now. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna try. What is your waterline? What is that? I'm so scared I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. I will poke myself in the eye. Let me Google it real quick, hold on. What is your waterline? Between your eyelash and the eye. It's so close to your eye you can put eyeliner without actually drawing on your cornea. Okay, so the line between your eyeball and your lashes. Got it. I'm so nervous. Okay, start off slow. Okay, slow and steady wins what? The race. Is that it? Am I there? I don't know if I did it. How does it look? My eyes don't look so bad. Like from far away, I look cute, right? I look cute from far away. Let me back up some more. I look cute from far away, right? Like, hey. Let me go in the bathroom and do this. I am so nervous. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. Did I do it? I think I did it. You can kind of see it. Maybe I should turn this brightness down. Okay, I turned the lights down. Is that better? Can y'all see better? I think I did it. It's right there. I don't know if that's exactly the waterline. I got kind of scared, but I don't know. Let's see what she does next. Okay, a black eyeshadow to smoke it out. Okay, I can do that. All right, so there's black on here. You can see that. Okay, and then she just smoked it out. This is low-key funny because I'm just struggling and having a blast right now. Okay, smoke it out here. So lightly smoke it out. How's it getting down? Should I use a smaller brush or just smoking it out? Smoking it out. I'm just praying that I do not look like somebody punched me in the face. Wow, middle school Erin is quaking. Did I do emo goth stuff? No, but I really wanted to, but my parents were they paid attention, so I couldn't do it. Eee. My lips look ashy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna just smoke it out and then I'm gonna cover that up with some concealers. So whatever mistakes I do, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Why does one side always look better than the other? This side looks better than this side. Oh my gosh. It looks good enough for me. It looks good enough for me. Far away, bam. Hey, how you doing? Up close, no. Let's keep going. Okay, more eyeliner. And she's making that little, you know, that oh, that wing right there. That's not too bad, right? Other side, it's probably gonna look worse because one side looks better. All right, I think I did it. I don't know how straight it is on each side, but I did it. Finally, she get into the good part, the nose. Let's get this nose done. Meow. Okay, she does 3 little dots above her mouth, so. It's time for the whiskers. Straight face. Alright, so she fills in then, you know, a little line between your nose and your mouth, and then her top lip. I don't have a liquid lipstick, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, so she takes the glitter that she used in her eyes and puts it on her bottom lip. I'm going to use the same highlight that I used on my eyes and put my bottom lip, and I might put some gloss over it. Oh my gosh, this is giving me such Kim Possible vibes. Somebody told me that I had that top lip that the characters in Kim Possible do, but I don't know, you look so cute. Okay, and yes, my highlighter broke. I think I dropped it. Oops. If anybody was wondering, I just used my Lancome Juicy Tubes Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss. It's pretty much a clear gloss with like little glitters in it. Ooh, that's the final step. I think this looks really, really good from back here though. When I get closer, I think up close doesn't look that bad. It can look a lot worse. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I really liked how I was able to improvise because I don't have all the stuff that she has. I really liked like the tips that she gave, like the raising my eyebrow to really get into my crease and like, you know, cover up all those crevices. I really like that. I might use that again, and the tape. I think this looks really good. Back in high school during sophomore year, I was a cat and I used a Sharpie. This is a little level up than that. Everything that I use will be linked down below if you really care. And of course, I'm gonna link her video also down below. I think I'm getting slightly better at this makeup thing. Still a beginner, so way a beginner, but I think I'm getting slightly better. Yes. Thinking back to last year's cat video, I was like, meow, 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 meow.
What?
And this year, I'm like, meow. Oh, the cringe. Let me stop. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween.